Right. Okay, so what does silver hold for us? All right, silver is quite interesting. Okay, silver is considered like baby gold. Okay, now a lot of people say that is because usually whatever the movements in gold occurs, it will usually reflect on silver. But recently, for the past month, or this month actually, it hasn't really been the case. Okay, it seems like silver is sort of just acting by itself a little bit. Okay, it's not fully following along with the trends of gold. Okay, I think one of the main reason is of the trade wars that's happening. Okay, the economic instability, okay, and then especially who utilizes or who buys more silver? Tech companies. Okay, I mean, look, if tech companies are very wary about their stance right now internationally, I think the purchase of silver might be on halt, or the mining or production of silver conductors may be a little slower. Maybe that's the reason why silver prices have been fluctuating a little bit. Okay, all right. Now, let's jump in and take a look at the PTips analysis. On D1 for silver, PTips claims that RSI is above 50. Yes, it is. Okay, it's really close to 50, but yeah, it's above 50. The dual Bollinger Bands prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands, so it should be ranging. Now, another thing is this. Since it's ranging, let's jot out the previous highs and then our previous lows. Okay, so 1 second. These highs and lows are going to act as our support resistances. Okay. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that the prices are above MA20, so potentially there is a bit more bullishness. Okay, so some buying power exists. Okay, potentially. All right, cool. Now let's take a look at H4. Okay, so based on H4, RSI is above 50. Okay, PTips claims that in the dual Bollinger Bands, prices are between the top bands. Okay, so this is a classic bullish indication, okay, where prices are between the top bands and also RSI is above 50. Okay, so this seems that it is more bullish overall. Okay, all right. Now, let's dive in and take a look at H1, see if they give us the same type of indications. All right, so based on H1 on silver, PTips claims that RSI is above 50. The dual Bollinger Bands, prices are between the top bands. Okay, great. So overall, this is still more bullish. Okay, so based on H4 and H1, we are getting the same type of information. Okay.